Replacing the remote battery. Tools required. Number 2 Phillips screwdriver, 23A 12-volt battery. First, unscrew the Phillips screw on the back of the remote. Then carefully pull the two sides of the remote apart. Remove the old battery from the PCB. Replace with the same type of battery, a 23A 12-volt battery, similar to what garage door openers use. Put the PCB back in the remote housing and line up the buttons. Press lightly and the two sides should click together. Secure the Phillips screw and then test the buttons to make sure the remote has power. Make sure to follow us on your favorite social network.